Hi everyone, I'm Sabuj from Ashrafi Realty Leads and Ads. Many people ask me, why are you running Facebook ads but not getting results? Today I will share with you some common problems of ads in 2025 and their correct solutions. Problem 1. Wrong targeting. Many businesses still target a very broad audience. For example, they only give USA 18+. This way your ads do not reach the right people. Solution: narrow the audience. Use interests, behaviors, custom audience, for example, website visitors, lookalike audience. Problem 2. Weak creatives. If the ads only have text or boring images, people will scroll away. Solution: use short video ads with clear message plus CTA. Give attractive thumbnail. Problem 3. Budget and bidding. Many people only budget $1-2 per day and then run it with boost post. It is difficult to get long-term ROI in this. Solution: set up proper campaign from Meta Ads Manager. Select campaign objective correctly. Lead generation, conversions, etc. Problem 4. No testing. Creating one ad and running it month after month is no longer working. Solution: do A/B testing. Compare different images, copy, CTA, and audience. Scale the ad that performs well. Final tip. The main thing about ads in 2025 is right message to the right people at the right time. If you are having the same problem with ads and not getting results, I can help. Verified B2B leads, Facebook and Instagram ads, Shopify and SEO support. Contact me today. Details in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.